Introducing the first 80V HP 42-inch ZTR from RYOBI. Our most advanced mower ever, with 80 volts of pure lithium power. The intuitive Idrive joystick puts precise control in the palm of your hand. Crosscut multi-blades leave a remarkably cleaner mow. HP technology and 4 brushless motors combine to deliver the power equivalent of a 31 horsepower gas engine, without the gas, fumes, or hassle, and about this much noise. Use the onboard LCD screen to easily adjust blade and drive speed to your preferred setting, while effortlessly maneuvering around obstacles. Utilize the RYOBI Bagger Boost accessory, which allows you to clear the chute with just the push of a button. With the 2 80V batteries and 2 40V batteries, this rider can tackle up to 3 acres on a single charge. And the supercharger gets you back to full power fast. With 40V compatibility, you're even able to use those same batteries and other 40V tools to cut down, trim back, and clean up for every job all year long. The RYOBI 80V HP 42-inch zero-turn riding mower. Sold exclusively at the Home Depot.